I'll say, is we rolling? I think we might be. Let's get it. All right, y'all. We got another customer here. I'm actually out here in the Megan Mall. You see the different stores, the restaurant. They have a Chevy Malibu with a flat tire. Got this back tire flat right here, which it shouldn't take long. Lug nuts don't look stripped or anything. We're gonna be in and out in like 5 minutes. Let me crank my compressor, get my air going, get my jack, and we're gonna start this job in 3, 2, 1. Close my drain valve off. When I tell you, I love an easy job like this.
That's how it's done, and it's probably got a hole in it somewhere.
Most likely, that might be the issue right there.
Yeah.
But also, you drove on it. You see how I got that dark ring around it?
Yes, sir.
It's because you probably drove on it a little bit. Just kept driving while it was flat. So 9 times out of 10, you have compromised the integrity of the sidewall.
So it's no more.
9 times out of 10, I would just go get it changed. It got good tread on it. It can last for a minute. I've seen people drive on their spares for months. I wouldn't recommend it though. But you're good to get where you need to go or whatever. Let me get my gun. Drop my oil in my gun. See, I like customers like that too. He want to communicate. He seems like he is willing to take whatever information I give him. He appreciates the information. All right. Let me cycle my oil. I'm gonna get you to stand over here because I'm gonna shoot some oil. I don't want to get on you. And it's shooting back at me. Let's get it. Lug nuts aren't stripped. Coming right off. Coming right out the socket. See how it's on that side as well? Yeah. It just comes from driving on it while it's flat. But that is definitely your issue right there.
What does that look like to you?
Let's pull it out and see. Let me just put your spare on, cut my compressor off. I'm gonna pull it out, man. Remember, if you put that bottom lug nut on first, or the most bottom lug nut, you ain't gotta hold it while you're trying to put it on. That lug nut gonna hold your tire in place for you. Now I got 2 free hands, and I ain't gotta hold it with my leg or my foot or whatever, but NASCAR, is you ready? I'm gonna check the air pressure in this tire. We're gonna get him out of here. Got my air chuck, my air gauge. Let's see how much he got in that spare. Showing nothing. We're gonna get him up to about 55. Oh, come on. 25. 40. 50. $55. I just wanted to lay it down because when I lower it, I ain't wanting to scuff up against that wheel. Job well done. I'm gonna still take this piece out this tire so we can see what's going on with it. Appreciate that, man.
Yes, sir. Appreciate you. You run TikTok or something?
I do YouTube.
You do YouTube?
Yeah.
How long you been doing YouTube?
2 months actually. I just got this camera and it's been doing real good.
You record on your Roadside?
Every last one of them. See, I can't even talk. Unless it's like a very bad job that doesn't go good,
Yeah.
we aren't in the best of positions,
Yeah.
I won't do them, but for the most part, I record all of them.
That's cool. I never met somebody who actually makes videos like that. That's cool.
Yes, it is.
How long, like, after getting a puncture like that, you think it'd take you to go completely flat?
Shoot, something like this can be just a few minutes. Yeah, it could be instant because you look at how big this is.
That's crazy. Yeah, that's
Good God Almighty. Hold on.
That's crazy.
Yes, it is.
Doing it perfectly, too.
Yeah. I should grab my pliers instead of these. Let me grab my pliers.
That's great.
And
What does that look like? Just a random piece of metal?
that's what it looked like to me. Rusted piece of metal, man.
Here's your minute.